For some people, symptoms can linger weeks or maybe even months after the initial diagnosis.
They're people called long haulers. The condition is neither well defined nor well understood because this virus is so new.
Mary Jo Ola talked with a local long hauler and a doctor trying to help.
It's just so slow, and it's like I've never experienced that before, so it gets scary.
Josh Busio tested positive for COVID-19 in early October. Just as he was starting to feel normal, came weeks of lingering symptoms.
I had like a cough. I had pain in my chest, back area. Fatigue was a big one. I wouldn't be able to do a lot of things around the house even without being very fatigued or shortness of breath. So yeah, for a couple months, it definitely felt that way.
After lots of questions, anxiety, tests, and meds, Josh learned about Ascension Medical Group Wisconsin's new post-acute COVID care clinic in Oak Creek, dedicated to helping patients struggling with persistent symptoms, also known as long haulers.
16 and up has been what we've seen so far. And there really isn't a whole lot of other well-defined characteristics about who these people are that have symptoms that last longer.
Dr. Aaron O'Toole is a family medicine physician here. He says on top of the wide range of patients, there are a couple hundred symptoms long haulers may face, making it challenging to treat. The most common symptoms he's seen: fatigue, loss of stamina, shortness of breath, or chest pain. Dr. O'Toole says a lot of these people were never hospitalized with COVID.
It is a struggle because I wish I had a whole book of answers that I could give to people when they see me, and that's just unfortunately not the case. Because so many cases are just so different.
But there is good news. Dr. O'Toole says they are seeing people recover. As for Josh, more than 3 months since contracting the virus, and with the help of specialists, he's feeling more like himself.
So I want others to know that there's a lot of people like me out there, and to not lose hope.
Dr. O'Toole says the latest stats showed 10 to 20% of people who were infected with COVID are going to have lingering symptoms lasting more than 8 weeks. He says they are working to get additional clinics up in the Milwaukee area. Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.